Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to my channel, and here is a tour of this beautiful dollhouse that I obtained at the dollhouse store, and it was already assembled. I didn't have to do anything to it, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm going to give you the inside tour, but I wanted to show you first the exterior of the house. One of the YouTube followers asked me what was the name of it, and I couldn't think of it at the moment, but then I started searching for the instruction book, which was, even though I didn't assemble it, it was already assembled, but it came with the instruction book, and the name is Le Chateau. That's the name of it, in case you want to look it up in Google. I'm not sure if it's a discontinued model because when I bought it, it was on clearance. So anyway, so let's look at the detail on the outside of the house. Look at that. That's the attic there. So the windows, the attic has 2 windows. Then the balconies, beautiful balconies. Look at that. I even put some people in there. The dad and the daughter. And there's light inside. I'm going to show you inside soon. More balconies. So it has a balcony in every window. And the bottom part is actually the basement. That bottom part is the basement. But I still made it the kitchen and living room. So it's part electrical and part battery operated. Right here on the side of the house, I have the electrical. So I only have electrical on this side, and I have a combination of both because I have battery operated on this side. So let's open it up. Let's go inside. Now the stairs, I'm going to take them off. Okay. Usually I don't have them there. I just have them put away unless I'm going to show the house. Because they take too much space there. So anyway, so let's go in. I'm going to open this middle part here. Okay. And I'm going to open the 2 down here. So you can take a look at everything. And I'm going to open the attic. The attic opens upward like this. Okay. All right, first room. This is a grand room that I created in this space because it was the largest space of the house. So I figured that would go good for, all this, miniature furniture that I have that's really fancy. So that's why I created that there. I have a problem with the electrical right now. It's not functioning, this one. So that's why the wire is there, but I have to hide the wire. So anyway, yes, so this is one of my favorite rooms. I have a piano there and everything. Next to it, even though this is not a living space, it's a thrift shop, it's a business, it's a store. I still have it in this house because, I just did all the rooms and, I needed a room for the thrift shop. So that's the thrift shop. Secondhand stuff, very, very inexpensive. That's a thrift shop. So I have those 2 side to side. Then down here, I have a sewing room. Now all these rooms, I've already done videos on them. So on my channel, each room already has a video. Now this one is part battery operated from the Dollar Tree store that I got the light, and part electrical, that lamp. So that's the sewing room. Over here is a hallway which I have to work on. I want to put some lighting in there and kind of spruce it up because it looks too dark, and I have to spruce it up. Next to it is a pool room. Okay, let's see. The pool table is handmade. I made it. There's a fireplace over there, and I'm not sure if you can notice, but there's a whole bunch of swords there. And that was one of my best finds, those swords. In a flea market, I found 15 of those swords. 15 in a small, like, metal box for $3. 15 of them for $3. So, oh my God, that was great. You don't find that everywhere. It's a rare item. Then below that is a very spacious bathroom. So I was able to fit in like a dresser and, you know, other items. Again, I'm not going through everything because there's already a video up on each room. I just wanted to, you know, give you a view of the exterior of the house. Then this is the master bedroom right there. I love this one. I put so much work into it with the wallpaper and the frames, the paintings. I put a lot of work into it. And that's one of my oldest pieces of furniture, that set. Then here I have the hallway again. So again, I have to spruce up the hallway. We got the bathroom. Down here we have the living room. I also have to put some lighting in there. And next to it is the other hallway. And then the kitchen. The kitchen is beautiful. Look at that table. Okay, now that I gave you a tour of the inside of the house, I'm going to close it up so that you can take another look at the outside of the house, of the exterior. Okay, so we're going to close this up. That's the middle part. And then the bottom part has the two doors. Okay. These things are so delicate. You have to treat them extra careful. And then up here, this one, to close it, you just bring it down easy. You don't want anything breaking or getting knocked down. So that was it, yes. Right now it doesn't have the stairs, but with the stairs, let me put the stairs back just so you could appreciate it more. Let's look inside from out here. Now that, you know, look, it looks like we're peeking in there. That's that pool room. And then we have the sewing room here. The doors, the doors open so nicely. Look at that. And then here is where that lady is with the babies. Look at that. And look at the beautiful, beautiful balconies. Look at that. For Christmas, what I do is I do put like bows on each balcony, and I kind of spruce it up with Christmas ornaments. You know, just like a regular house, you would decorate it, you know, holiday-ish. Alrighty, so I think this is it. I hope you liked the tour of the house, and if you liked this video, please subscribe, share, comment, or just enjoy it. Okay? Thank you so much for watching.